What's up, guys? In this video we're gonna make a bag with dowels. Dowels are really cute. I love them for handles. I got these bamboo dowels from Hobby Lobby. Of course, I'm always in Hobby Lobby, so I thought, why not just make a quick and easy bag. Beginners can make this bag. It's really easy. You can use it as a craft bag or a project bag, or just make it really big and make it like a laundry bag, or you can make it as a handbag. So let's get it right into the video, and we're going to use these bamboo dowels on this cute little bag.